What's up, Packeteers? I'm Josh Berger, co-founder of PKT Pal, and I am here at Collision in Toronto, about to take the stage and tell the world how we're going to get the next 1 billion people online using the PKT Cube. Check it out. My name is Josh Berger, and today I'm going to share how we're going to get the next 1 billion people online. So just a show of hands, how many people here have the internet? And how many people here are entrepreneurs? So what if I could tell you that you could positively impact 1 billion people and still make money? Who would be interested in that? Say aye. All right. This did not age well, and it's interesting because we're seeing a lot of headlines just like this about cryptocurrencies. But the internet was created to make the world a better place and to service humans. It is a fundamental pillar of society. It dictates education, information, economics, and opportunity. There are 5 billion people who are connected to the internet right now. 63% of the world uses the internet, and a lot of them are here right now. But that means 37% of the world doesn't share the same luxuries that you and I share. So why are these regions being left behind? There was a great poet named Tupac who once said, "If it don't make money, it don't make sense." And there's no economic incentive for AT&T to roll trucks into the middle of Africa to be able to service the underprivileged. Why is it that some people like us have internet that we're not using, because none of you guys are using your internet that you're paying for at your home right now while you're here at Collision, and there's other people who don't have access? And the ISPs are overselling and under-delivering, not giving you the quality of service that you're even paying for. And the reason they're not doing that is because they're using a hub and spoke model where everybody is competing for the same internet that's available, as opposed to being able to work together. And that's the power of decentralization and distributed networks. And so that's why I'm really excited to share with you guys a product that we've been working on called Packet. And Packet enables people to earn money from their unused internet bandwidth and lets other people get online without a traditional internet service provider. And so right here we have the PKT Cube, and the PKT Cube pays you every 60 seconds for your unused internet bandwidth. And you can scan this QR code right here, and we're shipping them globally. And it has a VPN, so it's actually more secure than your current internet is. It has Wi-Fi sharing, which we'll be enabling in the next 60 days or so, which will allow people to get online through a VPN, which makes no liability to you. It has a wallet already built into it, so you don't have to have any technological know-how, and it pays you every 60 seconds for internet that you are paying for and not using. And so the different ways you can get involved with this project is you can go to pktpal.com, and you can buy one of these and you can plug it in, and now you're part of this global network that's helping get the next billion people online. You can also buy the cryptocurrency at Bitmart or on Bittrex Global, or you can get involved with the community. This is a completely community-driven project, and so we need all the people involved. And so the internet is a human right, in my opinion, that there is no reason why people don't have access in the world, and everyone should have access for free, and they should only pay for how fast they want their internet connection to be. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly. You can scan right here, and you can go to the website, and I'm happy to answer any questions after the show. Thanks so much for listening.